Greetings to all, dear friends. Today I'd like to tell you about the versatile and unique Ikea LUSTIGT 303-818-525 Shelve Wall Shelf. And I'll show you how to assemble it. It will stimulate your child's imagination and will be the best playmate. The child will be able to create an exhibition of his favorite things and will be able to swap tiem while playing, climbing up the little ladder. This wall shelf is quick and easy to assemble for one person. The shelf can be easily adapted to your needs and space by sliding the shelf parts sideways. It can be screwed onto any surface, for example the edge of an Ikea wardrobe. Thank you for watching. You can help the growth of my channel a lot by clicking like and subscribe.